Hello everyone, welcome once again to this channel, and today we will learn the second part of bioaesthetic planning. So in the previous slide we have learned about the introduction and definition of bioaesthetic planning and who have termed or give the name bioaesthetic planning. Okay, we have all learned that, and then how much is important. Okay, in bioaesthetic, what is included? It is included flora and fauna. Like you have to see both the planning of flora and fauna, and even you have to take note of this, that animal and plants are important in this planning. But more focus is on what? More focus is on the planning of the plants. Okay, it is more concern of the plantation, of the cultivation of plants and trees rather than animals. Okay, so here it is more it is more focusing on that. And then we have learned even the objectives and needs of bioaesthetic planning of town, and how much is important, like to beautify and conceal the ugliness. Okay, and to make people familiar to ornamental plantation, and to build up the characters of children and rectify the criminal minds, and then even to create the places of calm and peace. Like we have discussed all this, like how much is important plantation. Okay, especially in towns and cities. Okay, I'm not talking about the village area, but I'm talking about the this one urban area. Like how much it is important, especially like a planting of flowering trees just by the roadside, right? It make it more attractive and more peaceful, right? So yeah, and then even this one, to increase the appreciation of foreigner for the country and being an example, right, for other countries also. So these are some of the things that we have discussed in the previous video. Now we'll discuss about the second part of it. Now we will come to the next discussion, that is on landscaping of urban and rural areas. So we all know what is landscaping. We have discussed from the beginning only. इस मतलब जब टॉपिक स्टार्ट किए थे तब से ही हम लोगों ने लैंडस्केपिंग के ऊपर मतलब डिस्कशन कर लिया था, एंड वी ऑल हैव द आइडिया दैट व्हाट इज़ अ लैंडस्केपिंग, राइट? सो now we'll discuss about the landscaping of urban and rural area. So like I told you in the previous videos also, that how much it is important, okay, to do plantation, especially in the urban area, right? Comparing to the, like if you compare to the village area, in urban area it is more important to do plantation. Why? In the village area, obviously there are trees, there are flowers, there are like the nature only. They live in the nature only, okay, in the village area in most cases. Okay, but now at this present age, like you have seen, okay, how the village area now it is turned to urban area. People are making buildings and all, right? And then in urban area like towns, cities, okay, there are like less plantation now, or less trees, or less nature. So that's why they have to do the landscape of parks. They are making parks, and they are making like gardens and all, right, in their lawn only, if they have a big what I'll say, a big land. So we will discuss about it one by one. So here in this slide you have seen the picture also about rural and here urban. You can see there are so many buildings and all, like it is crowded with buildings and house and all. But in rural there are less house, and it's like mountains and all, right, trees. And also from the picture only you understand. And the urban area, it can include the town and city. ओके जैसे मैंने बोला कि पहले भी जो विलेज से मतलब जगह मतलब विलेज से ज़्यादा बड़ा है उसको टाउन बोला जाता है, और टाउन से भी बड़ा जो जगह है उसको क्या बोलते हैं, सिटीज़. So, and then while rural area include what? Village and hamlets, like villages. Okay, the village area. And then while the rural area may develop randomly on the basis of natural vegetation and fauna available in region, urban settlement are proper planned settlement built up according to a process called urbanization. So they really take care, like in the village area, they really take care of both the flora and fauna, and even like I mean the plants and animals, right? Like they don't want it to get extinct, so they really take care of the environment, right? And even like विलेज एरिया में ज़्यादातर ये इनका भी मतलब रेयरिंग होता है, लाइक दे यूज टू रेयर और दे यूज टू टेक केयर, राइट, ऑफ व्हाट, ऑफ cows, buffalo, and then cattles, right, animals में. So they really take care of all these things, and you will find it more in the village area also, all these things. And then they really go for organic also. They don't perform that much of this one chemicals and all. So this is some of like a small glimpse or small example of village, of rural area. But compared to urban area is like total settlement and like a busy area, busy place, and like it's mostly like business type area and all, right? And then with less vegetation, ज़्यादा vegetation नहीं होता है and all. So that's why they are running more for organic. In towns and city, अगर कहाँ पे like जहाँ पे भी जाए, towns or cities, okay, like the big places, तो अगर उनको पता चलेगा कि यहाँ पर ऑर्गेनिक चीज़ें बेच रहे हैं, यहाँ पर ऑर्गेनिक plants and all, so they will go as soon as possible to get that vegetable organic one, because it is really less now, right, because of the increasing population and all. So this is that's why like plantation or landscape in urban area, it is really really important. Okay. And then like I said, urban settlement are like advanced civic amenities, opportunity, वहाँ पर opportunity भी है education का, like ये मतलब advantages भी है कुछ like related to education से, transport से, business से, social interaction, and overall like better standard of living. So this all comes under urban settlement. But when you think from the nature way, like from the natural way, so it is not that like what I'll say, it have not adapt that one, that natural adaptation, right? So this one is lacking. Okay, ये एक चीज़ है जो ये कमी है, मतलब that's why अभी जो लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, so many people in their lawn only, या फिर they are trying to create kitchen garden क्रिएट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, और एंड देन दे आर डूइंग प्लान. अगर लैंड भी नहीं मिल रहा है उन लोगों को, तो बॉक्स में सॉइल फिल करते हैं और उसमें ही प्लांटेशन करते हैं, राइट? सो that is one that shows the importance. Okay, that shows the importance of plantation. Okay, but and then in rural settlement जो है, जो village area है, वो like ज़्यादातर natural resources में base होता है, right? Natural resources, organic and all. And then that's why it is really important. It's really important for even vegetation to adapt in the urban area. Okay. So let's discuss the first, that is the landscape of urban. So like I said before, in urban area, right, how you gonna do the landscape now? Okay, so I already said in a previous video also that nowadays अगर लोगों को अगर मतलब peaceful mind चाहिए, या फिर they just want a natural view, like सांस लेने की जगह ऐसे, so where they used to go, okay, if you don't have parks also, but still they try to go out, right? वो कोशिश करते हैं कि बाहर निकलने को या फिर walk पे जाने को, right? So and there are some of the important places that they used to go, like parks हुआ, gardens हुआ, या फिर अगर उनका घर बड़ा है और उसके सामने में मतलब लॉन एस्टैब्लिशमेंट करते हैं, जो हम लोगों ने प्रीवियसली इन प्रीवियस मतलब पहले जो स्लाइड से हम लोगों ने सीखा था कि कैसे लॉन एस्टैब्लिशमेंट होते हैं, आर्टिफिशियल लॉन एंड ऑल. So in landscaping of urban, it include what, like urban parks, gardens, small public garden, okay, and then boulevard and parks outside city. Okay, parks outside city, they used to go even there, like forest area, right? And then this one, like in a historical places like museum and all, so just to freshen up the mind. Okay, so nowadays even जो museum का जो landscape है बाहर, they used to have lawns and gardens, right? So even like national parks and all, so they try to go there, to get a like a very what peaceful mind, fresh air, right? So that shows how important it is to have an like what I'll say, a landscape in urban area. Okay, landscaping and then lawn establishment, plantation, it's really important. So even this one, they help to create a favorable, salubrious and healthful environment, because we all know the importance of trees. वो लोग क्या करते हैं, वो प्योरीफाई करते हैं. हम लोग ने ये बात ऑलरेडी लाइक डिस्कस, लाइक वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस ऑल्सो, दैट दे रियली लाइक दे प्योरीफाई द एनवायरनमेंट, दे प्योरीफाई द एयर, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाई इट्स रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट. जो बिजी एरिया है, बिजी टाउन है आपका, बिजी मतलब सिटीज़ है आपका, right, in that busy city and all, where मतलब गाड़ी चल रहा है, ट्रक चल रहा है and all, so obviously you need a fresh healthy environment, a healthy air. So for that, to balance that, उसको बैलेंस करने के लिए आजकल आप देखते हो लाइक रोड्स में भी, जो रोड के बीच में है वहाँ पर ट्रीज प्लांट किया जा रहा है. they are planting trees. Why? To balance the environment, to balance the chemical that are produced from the cars and trucks, right? So that's why, so it's really important, okay, in urban area to do the plantation. We will discuss this more about urban landscaping, okay, in the coming topics and all, because this will be a bit vast. This will be a bit vast subject, so it is really important. And then with the help of the landscape architecture या फिर landscape designer, you can do the planting of trees in populated area, जहाँ पर बहुत population है उस area में, you can do the plantation, right? And even I think there was one एक ऐसा साल था, I think it recently it happened, I think in 2018-19 only, that I have already give this example, जहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा population था, like especially in UP. So the government they really try to plant trees on the environment day, and they even succeed किए थे. And then they do so many plantation, बहुत सारे trees को plant किया था उस दिन in the environment day. So same thing, we have to practice it, not only on environment day, but environment day में नहीं, but we have to make it like a habit, like a lifestyle, okay, that there should be plants, there should be trees. And I hope that all of you love nature, like you love a place where there are trees, there are flowers, there are like gardens and all, right? So that's why, that shows the importance, especially in populated area. So, and the art of designing and planting garden and parks. So this is related to urban landscaping, and now we will come to the next. So in the next slide, now we're gonna discuss about the landscaping of rural area. So like I already said that rural area, okay, in rural area, like already people are adapting it, okay. they are adapting it. They are planting, like they are planting more trees and all, and then they are having gardens and all, right? And then not only the related to cultivation or related to planting, but even related to animals. They even rear animals, so it really balanced the ecosystem, because even animals, they play a very good role in balancing your environment, right? So in rural design, okay, rural design is a process to nurture collaboration and cooperation among rural and urban community to shape the landscape, to make connection and provide an integral system of human communities. Nowadays you are seeing, okay, even like awareness program भी मतलब बताया जा रहा है, मतलब they are like people, okay, people who really like have this one, who are from the agriculture background and all, और या फिर extension background से है, right? तो वो लोग क्या करते हैं, awareness program create करते हैं, right? Because in village area maybe it's hard for them to have more education, okay, so some of them, they don't have they can't afford to go to school or to colleges, so वो लोग हाँ ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग को मतलब फॉलो करते हैं, बट they need more information. So for that, what there are so many awareness program, बहुत सारे awareness program they किए जाते हैं, and then people from different departments या फिर ICAR and all, they used to go, वो लोग जाते हैं और वो लोग मतलब awareness program बताते हैं in rural area, and that improve, वो चीज़ और improve करता है like in rural area, in rural places, ओके तो उन लोगों को और एजुकेशन मिलता है, और वो लोग जो उनका मतलब फार्मिंग का जो प्रैक्टिस है वो और इम्प्रूव होता जाता है, ठीक है, लाइक इट विल बी मोर, लाइक देयर विल बी मोर इम्प्रूवमेंट इन देयर फार्मिंग सिस्टम, इन देयर लाइक एग्रीकल्चर बेस से, राइट? सो and then like creating integrated awareness program, right, which include everything integrated, like included everything like cultivation and then organic farming, and not only that, even this one, how to make fertilizer, organic fertilizer, right? And even like रिलेटेड टू एनिमल के कैसे जब आप रेयर कर रहे हो एनिमल को, तो कैसे आपको मतलब जो सराउंडिंग है उसको क्लीन रखना है, और कौन सा मतलब हाउ यू कैन मेक द प्लेसेस फॉर इट टू स्टे, लाइक कैसे उनके घर को रखना है एंड ऑल, लाइक जो एनिमल्स है, राइट? सो दिस दैट्स वाई इवन इन रूरल डिज़ाइन, ठीक है, रूरल एरिया में they are like following this only, like what I'll say, their nature only, but still they also need awareness program, they also need more information, because some of them like some of us, more people, they know theory, okay, theoretically they know everything, but practically they don't know anything, right? So and in rural area they are doing practically, but उनका जो थ्योरी है वो मतलब जानकारी जो है ज़्यादा नहीं होता है. सो फॉर दैट रीज़न both rural and urban, they have to come together, okay, and they have to balance their environment by practicing all this landscaping and bioaesthetic, जो bioaesthetic है planning, उसको भी follow करके you like we will improve more our environment, our surrounding. Okay, so rural design is a process to nurture collaboration and cooperation among rural and urban communities to shape the landscape. Okay, to shape the landscape, to make connection and provide an integrated what system of human communities, plants and animals. Okay, plants and animals, and then what production that meets the needs of people. Okay, because जैसे जैसे पॉपुलेशन बढ़ता जा रहा है वैसे वैसे जो नीड्स है लोगों का वो बढ़ता जा रहा है, लाइक नॉट ओनली इन related to this one food or vegetables and all, but like from so many area. Okay, and then the economy, the environment in the present without compromising the future, like compromise nahi karna, so not compromising with the future. Okay, like not thinking just for present only, लेकिन हमको हमारे फ्यूचर के बारे में भी सोचना है, या फिर जो मतलब जो लाइक आने वाले जो फ्यूचर जनरेशन है उनके बारे में भी सोचना है, right? It shouldn't affect them. So that's why we all learn about sustainable development, right? Sustainable agriculture, we all learn about that. So how to sustain and all, we all know that. So that's why it is really important. It's really important for landscape, like for landscaping in both rural and urban areas. So these are some like related about the landscaping of urban and rural areas. We will learn more about it in the next slides.